If you want to remove your green screen in one of the best video editing software, join me in this video. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most merciful. Hello to all of you dear masters, I am Sajjad, and in this video I am going to remove the green screen completely using the Premiere Pro program, even if, as you can see, there are many wrinkles behind me. Well, I opened Premiere, imported my file into it, and dropped it on the timeline. To remove your green screen, the first thing you have to do is to select your video and go to the Effects tab. And search Ultra Key. Double click on Ultra Key here or put it here in your video, and this effect will be added to your video. To set this effect, you have to go to the Effect Control section, and as you can see, Ultra Key has been added. To select the color we want to delete in this video, we have to click on the pencil mark in this part and select the part of our video where we want to remove that color. For example, I click on this part, which is better and has more color than that part in the background. And as you can see, it deletes. Well, the first thing we have to do is to find out how much this has removed and test it live. We must put a photo or video file as background under our video. I equate it with video and I will enlarge it. Well, as you can see, the quality is very bad now. It could not delete many parts. So we have to go with some of the options of this effect and increase and decrease the options so that we can reach our desired quality. So we click on our video again. In the Effect Control section, we go to the Ultra Key section and we open the first option. Well, as you can see, it gives many options. You will see that if you increase first option too much, it will dim your image. Well, you do enough that it doesn't diminish you. And only dim your background or green screen, and don't dim yourself. The second option is highlight. With all these options, you have to choose this according to your own taste so that you can understand which option is better for you. Which option does more work, which option is better to reduce, or it is better to increase it. And use them like this. I put the highlight on its lowest mode, 1. The next option is shadow. We should also reduce the shadow, but if we reduce it too much, as you can see, it is also removing my clothes, so reduce it to the required amount. I reduce it to this amount. The next option, as you can see, removes this left part easily for me, and the next option also works very well. We also open the second option. As you can see, the first and second options will reduce your body circumference a bit. Look, if you pay close attention, it will be empty under me and it clears around me and cleans some of my clothes around me. This is for when some of the green curtain is stuck around you. But now, as you can see, it removes the pollen very well for us and we can't see any greenery around. So, I leave the first and second options aside and go directly to the third option, as you can see. This removes the value from the left side, but it is better if it is 0. As you can see, this option did not work for me. We open this section. This part is more about color. As you can see, it makes me black and white here. I undo. This also changes the color. As you can see, this creates a pinkish area around my body. Not interesting. But this part of Luma, as you can see, is removing my circle very well. And finally, there is the option of color correction, which is also related to color. As you can see, if I make it more than normal, my face will be lighter and redder in color, and if I reduce it, it will turn black and white. Maybe I should increase this a bit more. The next option changes our color completely, which is not good for us. And the last option makes it a bit clearer. 0 is black, but 200 makes it very bright. I put a size between 100 and 200 to make it a little brighter. Well, as you saw, we were able to erase it in the Premiere, even though our green screen was not of good quality at all. If you like this style of videos, subscribe to our channel and like the video. And introduce our channel to your friends. Bye until another video.